guys, it's me William, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse like Miles Morales, but I call him the Jacket Super. I don't know what it's called, but when he jumps off the bridge. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I did was I used the hood from like the Spider-Man homemade suits. Yeah, and then I used the Miles Morales mask. And then I just took like a black torso and then just still painted the black and then drew all the red lines. Don't worry about it, that's just bit of silver right there. But don't worry about it. Then take it off, and then I used to show like the red veins on here. So yeah, and then I'll put it back on, and this is what his face looks like. Okay. So now I used this like gray pants, and what I actually did was took this black paint texture thingy. You could get it at Officeworks. Well, if you live in Australia, you should kind of get it at Officeworks, something like that. So yeah. And then I used the boots for these red one. Well, it's kind of have been used a lot, but I kind of use it. Yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. What should I make next? Leave the comments down below. So, should I make Spider-Man Far From Home or Spider-Man to Spider-Verse like characters? So yeah, but my voice is so different. Yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.